What if I told you this 15-minute vlog is the same thing as a 1-hour English lesson? That's the power of comprehensible input. And today, we are cooking hamburgers.
This is a spatula. This is a socket. This is a barbecue cover. This is a barbecue lid.
All right, so we have all of the ingredients. We got here paprika, some seasoning, paprika. We got Tabasco sauce. Can't forget about the Tabasco sauce. We got some black pepper, and of course, can't forget the salt. So first thing we gotta do is we got to put the minced meat here inside the bowl. Oh, it's gonna work. Bam! Now the minced meat is inside the bowl. You gotta get this seasoning. Open up this Tabasco sauce. Get some Tabasco in there. Gotta be heavy on the Tabasco. A little bit more. Yeah, let's put a little bit more. So we put the Tabasco sauce. Inside the minced meat. Then after, we're gonna add some black pepper. Wow, black pepper, chef it up. Some black pepper in there. And then next, we're gonna add some paprika. And also, I love to put this. I forgot one important ingredient. I forgot something. It's here in the cabinet. This is a cabinet. But we need, bow. If you know what it is, it's sauce magic sauce. Put some Maggi in there, some magic sauce. And we got everything. I think we have everything. So now I'm going to mix it up with my hands. Mix it up. It's all the ingredients. And wow, it's looking pretty good, the burgers. Next thing we gotta do is we gotta put 1 egg inside the bowl. So crack the egg, bow. We're gonna put the egg inside the bowl. But inside this egg, there is egg whites and egg yolks. For the hamburger, we have to make sure none of the egg the egg white gets inside the burger. Let's see how we do. So bow, we got the egg yolk. Dump it inside. And then we're going to mix. Oops, shit. Gotta throw this in the garbage. Gross. All right, back to the burgers. Mix. And I think we got our minced meat about ready. But who can have hamburgers? Who could have hamburgers without some French fries? So we're gonna grab some potatoes, cut up the French fries. See, cut them up real nice. Slice them, and I'm just joking. No. We're doing good. We know how to cut. Don't worry. All right, so we're finished cutting up the potatoes. See those bad boys? You guys see those bad boys? All right, so next We got the minced meat. Looks a bit messy here. We got the minced meat. We got the potatoes, an extra potato. Gonna put it back in the cupboard. And all right, so the fries are all ready and ready to go inside the air fryer. Tell me if you guys use air fryers to make your French fries. How you guys do it? All right, so we gotta get these fries in there now. Boom. French fries inside the air fryer. We gotta turn the air fryer on, but first we need a little bit of vegetable oil. Put inside fries. Boom, some veggie oils. You guys saw that? Boom, some veggie oil. Put that inside there. Boom, some veggie oil. You gotta mix it around a little bit. Mix it around. And press the button. Press the button. I guess, what do they got here? They got I don't know if you guys can see the words. There you go. We're gonna put it on max crisp. We have air fry, roast. That's usually when you roast a chicken or something like this. Bake, reheat, dehydrate. We're gonna put it on crisp, max crisp, because we want some crispy French fries. All right, so we got the mincemeat here. We're gonna make some patties with it. So what you gotta do is you gotta grab a handful of mincemeat. You see, a handful of mincemeat. You gotta press it real nice so you get a nice solid. It's a little bit small for me. It's a little bit small. I need a bigger one, bigger burger. I'm really hungry. All right, so this is a good size, about the size of my palm, the palm of my hand. Same size. That's my first burger patty. You see those? Nice, solid burgers. And you said we wanted 2, right? All right, we're gonna do 2 big boys. All right, so we got our 2 nice, juicy patties here, beef patties, and we're about to throw them on the grill. And this here is a barbecue. See, barbecue. And all right, now we got the patties on the grill. And the grill is sizzling. You hear that? It's sizzling. That is sizzling. And you see the smoke coming outside? The smoke? Yeah, that's smoke from the barbecue. Barbecue smoke coming out. Let's go check on the French fries. And the French fries are done. But if you look inside, it doesn't look like 3 minutes is enough time. So I'm gonna change the time. What do you guys think? Maybe 15 minutes, 15 more minutes. We'll put it for 15 minutes. Hopefully when we come back, they will be finished. The French fries will be done. This is a fridge. So I'm gonna open the fridge, see what we got inside here. And what do I need? I need some cheese. Can't forget to put some cheese on your burgers. Cheese. Okay, I think the burgers are ready to be flipped. Are you guys ready? We're going to flip the burger. See? Flip. And flip. Flip the burger. Oops. Let's go see if the French fries are ready. All right, let's see what time. Timer. How much time is? Ooh, I think I put them in for a bit too long. My French fries. A bit too long. Tell me in the comments. Did I burn the fries? Did I burn the fries? Did I burn the French fries? French fries. Bop. And yeah, I think the French fries are ready. So we're going to turn off the air fryer. Turn off the air fryer. And I think I'll see you guys when I'm eating. No, very important. Very important. We almost forgot to put the cheese on top of the burgers. Oh my gosh, we almost forgot. But it's all good. We remembered now. So we're going to put the cheese on top of the burgers. The cheese is on top of the burgers. Now we're just going to close the lid. Close the lid, and we're going to wait for the burgers to, not the burgers, but the cheese to melt. Melt. See, now the cheese is melted. You see? It's melted. Cheese is melted. Guys, oh my gosh. Look, you guys gotta see this. Look, oh my gosh, look. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do, guys? Look, here on the shelf, there's no burger buns. There's no burger buns. What are we gonna do? All right, guys, we gotta go to the store. We've got to go to the store, and we're going to get some burger buns. All right. I wasn't planning on this, but let's go. Now we are walking to the store. I can't believe I forgot the burger buns. How stupid of me. But at least, as you guys can see, it's a beautiful day outside, and a nice little 5-minute walk doesn't hurt anyone. So I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, so we're back from the bakery, and I got some bread. This is a baguette. When you're making hamburgers, never use normal American bread. Always use a baguette. That's what I learned since I moved to France. So here is my baguette. Bow! Look at that. My nice little burger and fries. I definitely have ketchup and mayonnaise. Well, I am super duper hungry, so I will see you guys in the next video. Au revoir.